what's up, guys? Welcome back. And this time, Subway Surfers is back in, Bangkok. I have done Bangkok before, but let's not get cut to the chase right now. And look what they just brought back. They brought back the seashells from the 2014 update. Well, I actually did not play the 2014 update, but I did do the gameplay 2 years ago. It's not that bad, of course. And I got noon with the Siam outfit. Everything same old. Not lost any keys, which is good because I just gained about 51. That's a lot. Hope we'll keep it that way. I'm just spelling out the word palm, as in like a palm tree, because there are such more palm trees. Oh my goodness. And they just got a beach. Think Miami or Hawaii, people. Fortunately, I gotta cut it short, but I just gotta do this little ditty I just wrote. Yo, Subway Surfers in Bangkok, Thailand. You want to give me to all this land. I want to see you with my own eyes. I have seen with my own pride. That's what you know about this Thailand. What the heck? Did this just show up? Oh, man. Just ruined it again. Oh. Well, that was a shocker. We're just going to give this another go around and then we'll be all done. It's not going to be this long. Still got time. Really? My board's been damaged. Oh, word hunt complete. Good thinking. Okay. Up and down, up and down. That's what we need to do. Man. So we're fast approaching May, and we want to know, not again, but that's okay. We want to know which edition would you love to see for Subway Surfers' 7-year anniversary, and my birthday is that month, so May is going to be a pretty big month, so I hope you all enjoy this video, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, guys.